Good morning. Today is the 6th of August. I'm quickly going to show you how to activate your Clickbait account. Let me just quickly share my screen. So once you've registered in Clickbait, you're going to come to your site like this, and I will send you the referral link in my subscriptions. So the moment you go and log in, so what's going to happen in Clickbait, you always goes to an ad. Remember, this is an ad sponsoring company. You click on open ad, and the first time there's the ad coming up. I'm just going to close the app again, and you got to wait your 30 seconds here. The first time, and it's just to open into your dashboard. So while I'm going to do that, I'm also going to show you, I'm going to activate the ad package, and I'm also going to pay it forward to somebody else, help somebody else to activate their account. So if I go to now click on dashboard, and this is what Clickbait looks like. So in the first step I'm going to do, I'm quickly going to deposit some extra funds in. You guys can see I've already got 334, but I will do everything and I'll explain it later. So I click on deposit funds, and I need to, the first time when you're using your Clickbait, your first advert, I'll come to it again, you've got one of $13, then the next level is $77, $150, and $300. So I'm just going to add, but the $13, you always pay $1 extra for that package, that range of package. Let me show you quickly what I mean. There's a $13 package. You can buy 3 of level 1. You click for 12 days, and after your 12 days, you're going to wait 7 days, and then your funds is released. So you got a 13, a 77, 150, $300. So what I'm telling you, the first time you pay $14. On a 77, you'll add $7, 10% extra. Thereafter, if I buy another level 2 package or a level 1 package, I do not have to add the funds, the 10% extra again. Then it's just going to be $77. If you work it out, you're getting about 2.47 a day for each ad that you're clicking on. Okay, so let's go to deposit. I'm going to deposit as, say, for instance, a beginner. I'm going to add $14 to this account. Click on deposit. I just click on confirm to proceed the payment. Now, what is quite important is when you come to the screen, do not close the screen until your funds has been paid in. So in this case, I'm going to choose USDT. USDT, BSC, I'm going to use my BEP20 account. So you guys can see there's some fee. So click on next step. And now you're just going to copy and paste this to your wallet. So I'll quickly pause this video just to do all that stuff. Just one quick note, when you do your withdrawal, always, some people miss this. You can see I've got to put $13.97 in. And then people come and they forget about the fee that they're paying. So in this case, I'm paying out of KuCoin account. So my exchange fee is $1. Remember to do that. So I'm going to do my withdrawal quickly here. Pause it again. So I've done mine busy. I've done it out of my KuCoin account. I did the withdrawal of that money. And I'm just waiting for it to be finished. And you will see the period here. So you just need to wait for the process. Usually it's about 2 or 3 minutes after you've finished the funds is out of your exchange wallet, you will see the process coming in. So please, I'm just stopping and recording so that my video is not too long. So this is now 30 seconds later, and you can see the wheel is busy turning. The process is busy taking place. If I go back to my wallet here, my KuCoin, I can just go and check. There, the transaction is completed here. So if I go back here, just need to wait for this process to get through. There's it pays it successfully. And now what's going to happen, the funds is going to come back to your wallet. And if you click here on your home wallet, you'll see you've got your money available. Now what I'm going to do, if you guys look on this, just go to my wallet. I've already bought the level 1 package. This $13 and you get $77 out. Then I bought a level 2. That's 13, you get 17 out. There I bought a level 2, $77, and I got 101 out. And then I bought 150 and I got $194 out. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for level 4 to buy a level 4 package. So I see that my funds is available in my wallet. There I've got available funds. So all you need to do is buy ad campaign. Now this is where it becomes, so I got to choose. So I'm going to choose the $300 package. So I click on buy ad. Now this is the thing. I've got enough funds in my wallet. Now the title, what is happening here? One of your other projects that you want to market, you can add it in here. It's costing you that $1 that you're paying. So as you guys can see, I've got small, medium, and high risk projects. I've got the EasyBot in the OneTrade, which this project is doing excellent on my OneTrade. It's not even 30 days. I put 1 Ethereum in. I'm standing on 2.3 Ethereum already. This is my EasyBot. So what I will do, I'm going to use the URL of my Ethereum, of my EasyBot, to market this project. So all I need to do is you get your referral link. And I've got my referral link. Go in here. I'm going to paste it in there. Replace my referral. So when other people watch these projects, they can look at it. And EasyBot. And I'm just going to say automated trading easy. So I've got a project that I wanted to add. My URL is in and I click confirm purchase. Once I click confirm purchase, I say yes, I'm sure. So now I've got my campaign level 4. I can click on activate now. The moment I activate, you can see the extra, that $30 I talked about. Confirm activation. Yes, I'm sure. So what is going to happen now, I will be able to have, you need to start clicking. And this is as easy as ABC every day. So when I start clicking, you will see that there's 3 ads coming up here. All you need to do, so I'm going to do, that's just the level. I'm earning $2.83. And on this level 4 package, you will see that I'm earning $6.48 every day on each ad that I'm checking. So I just click on view ad. The ad comes, open ad. And there the ad comes. I just close it and I wait for my 10 seconds to come back. And I click confirm and in. There, boom. I earn $6.48. So I'm just going to do another one. View and earn. View and earn. Open ad. The ad comes up. There's the ad. This will be the same like my EasyBot that come. I can close that and I click on view. I do see that on a higher package, you're waiting the smaller packages, you wait 8 seconds for it. Bloom. There. I just earned another $6.48. So go on, open it, close that ad, and I click on my clickbait. I'm waiting 9 seconds. And another $6. And this is how I'm earning money every day. It takes me roughly 30 to 40 seconds to do everything. And there I've got. You guys can see I already earned $32. So I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to do all my ads quickly to earn. You can see on top here, I've got a level 2, $75, one that I need to finish. And then I've got a level 4 to finish quickly. So I've done my $300 ads. You guys can see it's 5 clicks that I've done. $6.48 a click. And it takes a bit longer, about 10 seconds. And as you can see there, I've earned $32 for the day. I'm just going to go quickly onto the level 2 package that I've got. So I just do it again. Here I'm earning $2.83 for every click that I'm check. Click view and earn. The ad opens up. I click on open ad. There's the ad. Closing that ad. And I wait for my time to run out. Confirm. Boom. There I've got my money. $2.83. Open ad. Check, there's the ad. I close the ad. I go back. I wait for my time remaining. Confirm and then. So, and this is how easy you make $40, $50, $60 a day. Some people's got bigger packages. It all depends on what you're doing, how big you want to die. Go. Now, quickly again, what I'm going to show you. So you can have different packages. I'll just show it again. The ads is a $13. You can have up to 3 active packages in one level. So you can either buy 3 $13 or you can buy a 13, a 77, level 3, 150, level 4 is 300. Then you make $100 and level 5 is $600, 1,200 and up to level 7, which is $2,400. People, you click for 12 days. After your 12 days is finished, you wait for 7 days and you can withdraw your funds. Now what I'm going to do, I've got one of the people in my downline that registered, and what I usually also do, we're helping people which doesn't have the money. So what the person did, she clicked on my referral link. I'll post it in. She registered and she gave me a username. So if I go to pay it forward, what I'll do, I'm putting that person's username in. There it is, Coach Marley. Now remember. So, and I'm going to transfer to her $14. Send funds. Yes, I'm sure. Because you also get confirmation of that person's name and transferred completely. So that person can now start activating her package. And this is how ClickPage works. Put money in, 19 days later in total, you got your money back and you can either go bigger or smaller. As I explained to you already, this is a quick project and it has already been running for a few months. And there you can see how much I've earned already. Just in a matter of a month and a half. So I'll thank you. I'll put this description in my referral link in the subscription.